Hope that helps. Hope naman na you talk to your surgeon kasi kawawa naman kayo if in pain kayo tapos natatakot po kayo. Remember, hip replacement has a 98% success rate. Yung naririnig nyo po ay very, very rare complications po. I know na yung takot naman ay walang gamot para sa takot. But what helps in my experience is talking to the patient and explaining things, not rushing. Kasi I do have patients na 4 or 5 years before or even 10 years before sila mag-decide ng operasyon po. So definitely, patients are afraid. Patients take their time because of the fear ng surgery. And just getting multiple opinions also helps. So mga patients na pupunta sa isang doktor, pag takot pa rin kayo, try to look for a second or third opinion para po mas magaan yung loob nyo before surgery po.